Hello everybody, today we are going to show you how to install the full length side skirt onto your M3 or M4 for the G80, G82 platform. So this is MHC's pre-preg side skirt made here about 50 miles away in Silverstone. So the side skirt, is a really nice design, very simple, very easy to fit. The big thing with the side skirt compared to the front splitter, there's no original fixing positions that can be utilized to really get a secure fixing on these. So in your box, you'll have some wipes as well as these stainless steel fixings. So these stainless steel fixings are 19 millimeters stainless steel with a PZ2 fixing. So I use a impact driver with a PZ2 bit. Make sure the bit's correct. That way you'll get no wobble, it won't fall off, because obviously stainless is not magnetic, so it can be quite a pain to fit. So yeah, you'll have enough of these to use the holes. So I'm going to show you now how to get the perfect line up, because the side skirt has these lines for obviously the design detail as well as a fitting detail, so you can follow the body line of the car on the top and bottom of the car. So it's as simple as that. They are very simple to fit, and we're just going to quickly show you how to do now. With a wet cloth, just lightly damp it and then clean the bottom of the seal. This way you can remove any debris between the side seal and the side skirt. So just give it a good scrub underneath, then go back over with a dry. Cool. So on the side skirt itself, there's a line that follows the body line. So the first thing, dry fit it. You can make sure you have the right side. And then what we do is we line this line up just like that and just make sure it's flush. We normally set them back just about 1 millimeter, so it looks perfect, just like that. So with two hands, I've got another hand on the other end. We go underneath, and what I like to do is put one fixing at the beginning here, then get to the other end, make sure it's still straight, because once you put a screw here, you lock in this position of such. Mario at the other end, he's confirming to me at all times, yeah, we're still good. I'll then put a fixing about 1/4 way across, and then 2/4 through, and then I'll work on the back side. This way, if you pin it left and the far right, you'll then get it bowing. We need to keep it all flat, and then you fix the last position at the end, and then it's perfect. So yeah, we're gonna get underneath now. We'll get the car a bit higher so you can see the whole position. Cool, so now we've got the stainless steel fixing on the PZ2 bit with some good movement. So now we'll go underneath, go to the first fixing, lock it in. Mary, you still good? Yeah. Happy days. And then we'll just screw it in. Go in slightly, you can see we're still there. Cool, so that's fine for now. And then I'll work my way through into here. So if you come over here, Dylan, obviously, yeah, it's all fitted up, really simple. It probably took us 7 minutes and 50 seconds, so pretty quick. Yeah, we just lined up that line nicely all the way across, and then the same on the rear, and it's fitted like that. And nothing, just make sure when you jump out, watch out for them. And yeah, enjoy them. Any questions, drop us a DM, and make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Take care.